Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Afrikaans PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hello, my name is Stelly. Are you ready for your next Afrikaans lesson? I'm very excited about this lesson. So I hope you're going to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and go to afrikaanspod101.com for your free lifetime account, okay? So the reason I'm excited is I'm going to tell you about the Afrikaner culture today. Now, before we start, I want to make something clear. And I'm sure whatever culture you're living in, it's the same. You know, we can say Afrikaners are like this or that. But really, every Afrikaner is different, of course. You know, it's just like, you can't say Americans are like this or Japanese people are like that. Because people are different. And they grew up differently. And also the other thing that's complicates matters is, you know, the previous generation is also different from this generation. So when I give this lesson, I want you to keep in mind that I am generalizing, which is not always a good idea, but it's, you know, you can't really avoid it with a lesson like this. So I'm going to generalize, but I'm going to give you a good idea of, generally speaking, Afrikaans culture. Right? Are you ready? Okay. Afrikaners is baie na aan hulle familie. Hulle is na aan hulle familie. Close to their family. They eat together, hulle eet saam, hulle doen dinge saam, lag saam. So, it's close-knit families. Ons groet mekaar met 'n soen. Mwah. Even kissing on the mouth is fine in Afrikaans culture. Even if you're not, you know, in a romantic relationship. A lot of people kiss each other on the mouth to greet. Maar mans, men, shake hands. Mans skud hand. So ons groet mekaar met 'n soen. Baie mense groet mekaar met 'n soen op die wang of op die lippe. Maar mans skud die hand. Die meeste Afrikaners respekteer die Bybel, maar hulle is in baie verskillende kerke. So most Afrikaners respect the Bible, and they're Christian. Most Afrikaners are Christian, but they're still in many different churches. So it's not one church. Die meeste Afrikaners respekteer die Bybel. You can see how close that is to English. Respekteer die Bybel, maar hulle is in baie verskillende kerke, in many different churches. We love to braai. Afrikaners is mal oor braai. We're crazy about having a barbecue. Now, braai is a word we all use. It's an Afrikaans word, but the English people use it. Vernacular people, Zulu, Sesotho, Xhosa, all of them speak about having a braai. So it's an Afrikaans word that has become universally used universally in South Africa. Ons eet baie vleis. Ons eet baie vleis. We eat a lot of meat here in South Africa. Afrikaners and other cultures, we also eat a lot of meat. And how do we get that meat? Well, most of us buy it in the shop. Maar baie Afrikaners jag vir hulle vleis. Jag is hunt. Baie Afrikaners jag vir hulle vleis. So they take a trip, they go to the bushveld, they go to a place where they can hunt, and they hunt a couple of buck or some warthog, and they slaughter it. Sometimes they have it slaughtered or processed. Sometimes they process it themselves. Because it's healthier, you know, these wild animals have not been fed all the hormones. So, baie Afrikaners jag vir hulle vleis. Jag vir hulle vleis. Ons is lief vir die natuur. We love nature. Ons is lief vir die natuur. En gaan na die Kruger en ander wildtuine toe. Ons gaan na die Kruger en ander wildtuine toe om diere en voëls te sien. So, get used to that expression, ons is lief vir. When we say we love something, we say ons is lief vir. We don't say ons lief. We say ons is lief vir. Ons is lief vir die natuur, because of course, in Africa, there's amazing things to see, amazing animals to see that we can't always see in other places. So ons gaan na die wildtuin om die diere te gaan sien en ons neem foto's. Some people have these long telescopic lenses and they take photos of birds. You have an incredible number of birds, beautiful birds in South Africa. So if you love birding, come here. Ons is lief vir die natuur en gaan na die Kruger en ander wildtuine. 'n Wildtuin is a game park. Toe om diere en voëls te sien. There's a deelteken on the E because we don't say fools, we say voëls. Okay. Baie Afrikaners het 'n karavaan. 'n Karavaan of 'n tent, which is the same in English, en is lief daarvoor om te gaan kamp. Baie Afrikaners het 'n karavaan of 'n tent en is lief daarvoor om te gaan kamp. We love to go camping. We have a caravan. A lot of people have caravans, or they have those pop-up tents on those vehicles that you just pop it up and you sleep up there in the tent, or they have a tent that is just on the ground. We just have a tent that's on the ground. So, ons het 'n karavaan of 'n tent, ons is lief daarvoor om te gaan kamp. Musiek. Afrikaanse musiek is baie populêr. Daar is baie musiekfeeste met Afrikaanse liedjies. Daar's baie Afrikaanse liedjies. So, if you want to hear some Afrikaans music, go to Spotify and go and look for some Afrikaans music, or YouTube. There's wonderful music, Afrikaans. It's a growing industry. There are so many artists. So, they cater for dancing and for singing ballads, folk songs and everything, and old-fashioned type of dancing as well as modern dancing. So there's lots of types of dancing. Afrikaanse musiek is baie populêr. Populêr. Very close to English, eh? Popular. Goed. Meer as 50% van die kommersiële boere in Suid-Afrika is Afrikaners. Ons hou van plaaslewe. So, as you can see, more than 50% of the commercial farmers in South Africa are Afrikaners, and we love farm life. So, meer as 50% van die kommersiële boere in Suid-Afrika is Afrikaners. Ons hou van die plaaslewe. A lot of our songs are also about farm life and being a farmer. Ons hou daarvan om stories en grappe te vertel en om te lag. We love telling stories and laughing. We even laugh about things that are not really funny, but we make a joke about it to make it more bearable, you know. So we like telling stories and jokes and to laugh. Ons hou daarvan om stories en grappe te vertel. Vertel is to tell en om te lag. Dit is belangrik vir Afrikaners om 'n goeie opvoeding te kry. Belangrik, important, vir Afrikaners om 'n goeie opvoeding te kry. Good education, goeie opvoeding. En rugby is ons gunsteling sport. Die Springbok span speel baie goed. That's the South African team. Springbokke, everybody in South Africa loves the Springboks. Rugby is ons gunsteling sport. our favorite sport. The Afrikaners love the rugby. They get very excited about rugby and the teams. Die Springbokke wen dikwels die Wêreldbeker. So Springboks are very good. They often win the World Cup for rugby. Die Springbokke wen dikwels die Wêreldbeker. So if you ever come to South Africa, you've got to come and watch a rugby game and feel the vibe, okay? So, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and go to afrikaanspod101.com for your free lifetime account. Tot ziens!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.
My name is Stelly.